Genoa, known as Genova in Italian, is the capital of the Liguria region in northwest Italy and boasts a rich maritime history that dates back to ancient times. The city is famous for its historical significance as a major maritime republic during the Middle Ages, competing with Venice, Pisa, and Amalfi for dominance in Mediterranean trade. Genoa's Old Town, or Centro Storico, is one of the largest medieval city centers in Europe, featuring narrow alleys, historic buildings, and a vibrant atmosphere. The city's iconic landmark, the Lanterna di Genova, is a lighthouse that has guided sailors since the 12th century and stands at 76 meters tall. Genoa is the birthplace of Christopher Columbus, the famous explorer known for his voyages to the Americas in the late 15th century. The city is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including the Strada Nuove and the Palazzi dei Rolli, a series of Renaissance and Baroque palaces. Genoa's port is one of the busiest in Italy and serves as a crucial hub for trade and transportation in the Mediterranean. The city features a unique blend of architectural styles, reflecting its history and the influence of various cultures, including Roman, Byzantine, and Gothic. Genoa's cuisine is characterized by its use of fresh herbs, olive oil, and seafood, with dishes like pesto alla genovese and focaccia being local specialties. The city's famous Baccadas neighborhood is a picturesque fishing village with colorful houses and a charming pebble beach. The Palazzo Ducale, once the residence of the Doges of Genoa, now serves as a cultural center and hosts art exhibitions and events. The Via Garibaldi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is lined with majestic palaces that showcase the wealth and power of Genoese nobility in the past. Genoa's annual Raleigh Days event celebrates its rich history, allowing visitors to explore the city's historic palaces and learn about its heritage. The city has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural festivals held throughout the year. Genoa is known for its unique, caruggy, narrow alleyways that crisscross the old town, filled with shops, restaurants, and local life. The city is a hub for the Italian shipbuilding industry, with several shipyards and companies based in the region. Genoa's aquarium, one of the largest in Europe, is home to a diverse range of marine life and offers educational exhibits about ocean conservation. The Cimitero Monumentale di Staglieno is a famous cemetery in Genoa, known for its stunning sculptures and elaborate tombs, attracting visitors interested in art and history. Genoa is also a major center for banking and finance, with several important financial institutions headquartered in the city. The city hosts the Genoa International Boat Show, one of the largest boat shows in the world, attracting maritime enthusiasts and industry professionals. The Royal Palace of Genoa, or Palazzo Reale, is a stunning example of Baroque architecture and features a collection of art and historical artifacts. The city's annual Festival della Scienza celebrates scientific innovation and discovery, featuring lectures, workshops, and interactive exhibits. Genoa's Via XX Settember is a bustling shopping street lined with boutiques, cafes, and historic buildings, popular among both locals and tourists. The city has a rich literary history, with notable authors such as the poet Eugenio Montale and the novelist Italo Calvino hailing from Genoa. Genoa's Piazza de' Ferrari is the city's main square, featuring a striking fountain, the Teatro Carlo Felice, and several important buildings. The city's historic Palazzi dei Ralli were once used to host dignitaries and are now open to the public for tours and cultural events. Genoa's Museo di Palazzo Rosso houses an impressive collection of paintings, including works by famous artists like Van Dyck and Rubens. The city has a unique dialect, known as Genovese, which differs significantly from standard Italian and reflects the local culture and history. Genoa is surrounded by picturesque hills and offers stunning views of the Ligurian Sea, making it a popular destination for hiking and outdoor activities. The city's Corso Italia is a scenic promenade along the coast, perfect for leisurely walks and enjoying the seaside atmosphere. Genoa's Fiera di Genova is a major exhibition center that hosts trade shows, conventions, and cultural events throughout the year. The city is known for its vibrant street art scene, with murals and installations adorning many buildings in the Old Town and beyond. Genoa has a rich musical heritage, with the Teatro Carlo Felice being one of the most important opera houses in Italy. The annual Genoa International Film Festival showcases independent films from around the world, promoting cinema and culture in the region. Genoa's Palazzo Spinola is a historic palace that offers insights into the life of Genoese nobility through its preserved rooms and art collections. The city's Café di Stallieno is a historic cafe located in the Stallieno Cemetery, known for its beautiful setting and artistic ambience. Genoa's Scalinata di Santa Zita is a famous staircase that leads from the Old Town to the hilltop neighborhood of Castelletto, offering panoramic views of the city. The Basilica di Santa Maria di Castello is a stunning church that dates back to the 12th century and features beautiful frescoes and a rich history. Genoa has a strong connection to the sea, with many locals involved in fishing and maritime industries, keeping traditional practices alive. The city's Museo del Mare celebrates Genoa's maritime heritage, showcasing ship models, navigational instruments, and historical artifacts. The Giardini di Palazzo Reale are beautiful gardens that provide a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city, adorned with sculptures and fountains. Genoa's Corte Lambraschini is a modern complex that houses offices, shops, and residential spaces, blending contemporary architecture with the city's historical backdrop. The city's Largo Eros Lanfranco is a popular gathering spot known for its lively atmosphere, street performers, and outdoor cafes.